Rural America and rural Virginia is at a critical point in our history. We just can't afford 4 more years of policies that hurt rural families. Even in Virginia, we've been hurt by broken policies and misplaced priorities. Tim Kaine and Mark Warner haven't had a partner in the White House. We need a president who understands that rural America is important and who's willing to provide the leadership and the policies to improve our quality of life in rural Virginia and in rural America. Senator Obama will renew our nation's promise to rural America. He'll invest in rural America. He'll invest in our roads, in our bridges, in high-speed internet and cell phone service in higher cost places that are rural. Barack Obama will support rural small business with a micro-enterprise initiative for rural America that will provide training and technical assistance for rural small businesses. And he'll provide a 20% tax credit for up to $50,000 of investment in small owner-operated businesses. Barack Obama will improve our schools by increasing pay for teachers who will work in rural areas and will create a rural revitalization grant program to provide access to entrepreneurship education. Barack Obama will increase research and vocational funding for land-grant colleges like Virginia Tech and Virginia State. Barack Obama will provide rural America with affordable health care and save the typical American family $2,500 a year. He'll also increase access to health care in rural America by investing in health information technologies and telemedical programs, and in creating a loan forgiveness program for doctors and nurses who work in underserved rural areas. This is the policy agenda. This is the leadership, and most important, this is the vision we need and we have to have in Washington. So I'm asking you to please join me in supporting Barack Obama and supporting a new direction in Washington. Now, if you want to learn more about Barack Obama and the change we need, I hope you'll visit us at va.barackobama.com. And thank you very much.